All right, now that we've got our Oreos into our springform pan, I am just coming in with my clear pot. 2 egg yolks, coming in with some pure cane sugar. To this, we're gonna add about 1/2 cup. Now I've got my cornstarch here, and I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of cornstarch, which is gonna help this all thicken up. To this, I'm gonna juice the juice of 1 lemon in here. And boy, is this lemon juicy, Marty. This came from our tree outside. Of course, you can buy a lemon at the store if you don't have a lemon tree like us. Alrighty, I'm gonna stir this all to combine. We're gonna kind of see this coming together into a thick style cream with our delicious lemon flavor. Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. I am so excited, y'all, to show you this beautiful and delicious, easy dessert recipe. Alrighty, y'all, I got that all mixed in together, and now we're gonna add in about 2 cups of milk. Unfortunately, all I have is skim milk, but you could totally use heavy whipping cream or vitamin D milk, whatever you like. I am just gonna give this a little mix together right here. And now we're gonna take this over to the stove and put this over some heat. All right, we're just putting our cream onto some heat here, and I'm gonna stir this continuously. And we're gonna be adding into this some white chocolate. And I'm gonna be generous with my white chocolate. You can use a white chocolate bar or the white chocolate morsels, just like me. I had about 2/3 of this bag left, and so that's what I'm putting in. We're just gonna let that white chocolate get melted and incorporated into our cream. Alrighty, y'all. We brought our custard to a boil, and now we are just gonna pour this all over our beautiful Oreo cookies here. Look at that. It's the lemon curd. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so tasty, so beautiful. Going perfectly with those Oreos. Oh. And I am just gonna give this a smooth layer here right on top of these Oreos and make sure it's going down into their crevices in between. Oh, this just came out perfectly. I didn't know if it was gonna thicken up on the stove, but then it did, and it's just really taking a nice, beautiful texture and shape. Gorgeous. All right, we're just gonna place some lemon round slices right on top here. That's gonna be super beautiful finishing touch to our gorgeous dessert. Oh, I'm so excited, you guys. This turned out so pretty. All right, we're just gonna cover this with a little bit of saran wrap, and I'm gonna place this in my fridge for 12 hours. Alrighty, everyone. So you only needed to leave this in the fridge for 12 hours, but we did leave it in longer, and maybe it was the quick change of the temperature, which caused a little bit of this cracking, but we're not gonna worry about that because it's not gonna affect the taste. We'll check that out. Wow, it looks perfect, Marty. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous, isn't it?
It looks delish.
Oh my God, I'm really excited. Unfortunately, these lemon slices are kind of big, so I gotta cut around a lemon slice to get my piece. Ooh, crunch, crunch. Ooh, this last Oreo on the edge here is not totally cooperating, but I think it's gonna be all right. Just having to slice through that one. What a gorgeous dessert, y'all. Our Oreo lemon custard pie here. What do you think, Marty? Does that look cool or what?
It looks delicious and cool.
It's delicious. I love lemon. Y'all, this is amazing. You gotta try it.